Listen to this. Now, if you're starting up with YouTube automation and you are creating AI characters one by one, then you're not using AI the right way. Now listen to this. This version is optimized for a talking avatar or YouTube presenter style where you're centered facing the camera. And one of these is my real voice and the other was completely generated with AI. I used AI to clone my voice for completely free. And the scary part is that most people can't really tell which one is real anymore. And I want to see if you can actually tell the difference between these two voices. The only problem I have here is that I'm an African, so my accent cannot sound similar to those people in the United States. AI voice cloning has changed a lot recently. What used to take studios, microphone and voice actors can now be done in just 1 minute and for free. And the scary part is it actually sounds realistic. So I wanted to test how far it has come. With voice cloning, you can create faceless AI content, you can generate content when you are feeling lazy to record or to speak to the microphone. And this helps scale up your work really faster if you are like me. Here's exactly what I did. I recorded my real voice at first using my mobile phone. Then I used AI tools to clone it. After that, I compared my real voice and the one generated by AI side by side to see which one actually sounds realistic. In this video, we'll be using two AI tools. The first tool is Fish Audio and the second tool is FineVoice. Here's exactly what I did. I recorded my real voice using my phone, and after that, I uploaded it onto the AI website. And then these AI websites cloned my voice for me. In this video, we're going to use two websites to do this, and it works actually the same. The first website is Fish Audio and the second one is FineVoice. These two AI websites can clone your voice for absolutely free to some limit. If you extend that limit and you have another email account, you can use it to create an account there and continue with whatever project you are on. After that, I compared both voices side by side to check which one is AI generated. The only problem we have here is that I'm an African and my accent might not sound like those people in the United States. And I'm going to ask you one simple question. Can you tell the difference between these two AI voices apart from the accent? Now, let me show you step by step on how to clone your voices with these two AI tools that I mentioned, which is Fish and then FineVoice. So this is fish.audio and we're going to click on opening app. We're going to select my voices and from here we're going to select build new voice. From there we're going to select instant voice clone and click on continue. Right, it needs us to upload our voice recording that we recorded on our phone and it says ready to analyze. But for the best voice cloning results, we need an audio which is longer than 30 seconds. We're going to close this one and then upload a new audio, which I spoke for 30 seconds. Right. So you can see this audio is really good and it's showing green right here and it says ready to analyze. From here, all you have to do is to click on start analyze and the AI tool is going to analyze your voice and clone it for you. Now let's continue to details. Once we click here we can customize our voice. I'm going to give our voice name as Papa Ni, and I'm then going to set a cover for our voice so that we can identify the voice. I'm going to use this image of myself, and here it gives you a description of a voice, a clear, confident male voice, ideal for educational content. You can set the age, which is middle age, or set it to old. You can set the gender to female or neutral. You can use the cases, which is conversational, narration. In this case, I'm going to select social media. You can set the voice to public, private, unlisted. These are self-explanatory and you have to confirm if you have permission to clone this voice. So I'm then going to click on create, and right from here, we have cloned our voice. To play a default sample, they give us a default sample right there. And here you can edit the voice as to how you want it if you later change your mind about it. I'll leave links to the AI tools in the description and let's proceed into cloning our voice. So let's play a sample. If you're starting off the AI automation and creating characters one by one, you're not using AI the right way. Let me show you how. To generate consistent multiple characters at once, saving you time. This method ensures your AI characters remain consistent throughout the whole scene and across different scenes as well. You can see that this sounds exactly like me, but then I'm going to show you the final results by comparing both voices. I'm then going to click on use voice and I'm going to copy this script that I have here and then paste it right here. Once I'm done, you can then go on and make your necessary settings. Here we have audio control, loudness normalization, text tag compatible mode. So you better select the one that suits you. If you put your cursor on it, it's going to explain what it does. Okay, so I don't want any problems. I just want to click on generate, and then it's going to clone this whole thing for me. Let's play it. It is optimized for a talking avatar or YouTube presenter style where you're centered, facing the camera, and framed from about the waist chest up rather than filling the entire frame. It gives a more natural, professional look for intros and educational videos. This version is optimized for a talking avatar or YouTube presenter style where you are centered, facing the camera, and framed from about the waist/chest up rather than filling the entire frame. It gives a more natural, professional look for intros and educational videos. So we simply have to download it and compare it with our original voice. And so I'm then going to click on this download icon right here to download it. And it's simply going to download onto your PC. You can also download the second one if you want. Now, if you're starting up with YouTube automation and you're creating AI characters one by one, then you're not using AI the right way. This version is optimized for a talking avatar or YouTube presenter style where you're centered, facing the camera, and framed. All right, so that is it. That is how you can clone your voice with Fish Audio, and you have 500 characters. So if you have more script, you can then paste it in sections or parts so that you can combine them using CapCut or any audio editor. You'll be given 8,000 characters per month, and so if you exhaust this, you can create a new account. This is FineVoice, and right here, once we click on the profile, we can select Account Center, and here you get AI voice changer, which is 30 minutes. And here you get the option to clone your voice for 5 times. I've already used one, and so these are some of the free perks that you get. Here we're going to select AI voice cloning, and right from here we have a bunch of options. Here we have instant voice cloning, and we have professional voice clone and upload a voice model. All right, so we get to upload 30 seconds of our voice to clone it. So I'm going to click on this one, and here you can either record it or upload an audio. I'm then going to upload this audio of my original voice. YouTube automation and you're creating AI characters one by one, then you're not using AI the right way. Okay, so I'm going to give the voice a name, which is Papani 2, and then here I'm going to set my gender to male. If you're female, put it at female. Okay, so this is the language. I set it to English, United States, and then I'm going to click on clone. It's then going to clone my voice for me, and you can see it on the right side, which is Papani 2. What we need to do here is to click on this voice, and it's going to give us options for text to speech or AI's voice changer, which we talk about in the next video, where you change any voice into your voice. So we click on text to speech, and then I'm going to copy the same script we did for Fish Audio and then paste it right here. Click on paste, and right here the unnecessary settings here, I'm going to leave it as it is because I don't want any problem. We're using the latest model for FineVoice, which is FineVoice TTX Max. Here you can add emotions to whatever speech you are trying to create, and I'm then going to click on generate, and it's going to generate it for me. This version is optimized for a talking avatar or YouTube presenter style where you're centered, facing the camera, and framed from about the waist chest up rather than filling the entire frame. It gives a more natural, professional look for intros and educational videos. When you like it, all you simply have to do is to click on download, and then let's compare my original voice with the voice which was cloned. And I think you can't even notice if this was generated with AI or not. So let's compare both voices. Now, if you're starting up with YouTube automation and you're creating AI characters one by one, then you're not using AI the right way. This version is optimized for a talking avatar or YouTube presenter style where you're centered, facing the camera, and framed from. The truth is, even I struggle to tell sometimes. Now, with the rise of this technology, you can't even tell if content online is real or AI anymore. That is a little unsettling. We are reaching a point where voice clone is no longer a proof of identity. AI isn't just copying voices anymore. It's becoming indistinguishable from real humans. I didn't make this video to say AI is good or bad. I made this video to show you how fast this AI is evolving. Because what used to take hours in a studio can now be made in just minutes. And this is just the beginning. You can use AI voice cloning for your AI content if you don't feel or you don't have energy to record content. You can use it for faceless YouTube automations by cloning your voice and then letting your voice speak for you. If you want more videos like this, consider subscribing and liking the video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.